Jack went to the blacksmith and fed herself. He looked out the window and thought, I'd like to have a big pancake for breakfast. Jack's mother was already up and busy. Mother, said Jack, I'd like to have a big pancake for breakfast. I'm busy and you will have to help me.
I'll turn the pancake over. Ready? Ready, shouted Jack. Open water when the pancake high into the air and landed right in the pan. In another minute or two, the pancake was crispy on the other side as well. Then she flipped the pancake from the frying pan onto the plate and spread some strawberry jam on it. And now, Jack, his mother started to say, but Jack said, "Oh, Mom, I know what to do now." There was also a cook. A wooden spoon. A ladle. A frying pan. A plate. A knife. A fork and spoon. And a jar of the strawberry jam. And his mother said, "Put a cup full of flour into the bowl. Break it into the flour and stir. Put a cup full of milk over the flour and eggs and stir again until the batter is smooth and without lumps." Jack's mother heated the frying pan over the fire and added a piece of butter. The butter melted fast. Then she said to Jack, "Hey," shouted Jack, "let's make a pancake!" But his mother